Cheesecake. Cheese and cake. In my opinion, two of the best foods on the planet. If they would have a child, the child would be very smooth with the ladies and would graduate at the top of the class in some top university in New York City. Hey guys, it's me Andrew here, and today we are making the one, the only New York style cheesecake. Let's go! Okay, so the thing about this cheesecake is that it's super smooth, airy, and of course super tasty. I just can't. It's that good. Okay, let's begin with the crust first. To start off, we will need 160 grams of graham crackers finely crushed. To do that, get your crackers in a Ziploc bag or in some other bag, for example this cloth bag that I had, and beat the living hell out of them. I mean, try not to destroy the bag itself, but beat those crackers. All that should be left is mostly graham
cracker dust.
Now transfer your crushed graham crackers to a medium bowl. To that bowl, add in your crackers, 30 grams of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and some nutmeg, which is optional of course, but highly suggested. Now mix it all together and stream in around 56 grams of melted and home temperature cooled unsalted butter. While pouring in the butter, get a fork and mix. Once the whole butter is in, I like to use my bare hands for the mixing. Then when the mixture is soaked in butter, get a 9-inch springform pan and grease it generously with canola oil or a non-stick spray. Pour in your buttery cracker mixture and using a cup or any other dish that has a flat bottom, spread it out evenly and tightly on the bottom like so. Now place your crust in a preheated 175 degrees Celsius oven for about 8 to 9 minutes. Then remove it and let it cool until it's cooled completely. Now we can make our beautiful cream cheese filling. Get a big bowl and in that bowl add in 900 grams of softened cream cheese. Mix by hand to break it in a little bit. Then get your eggs ready in another bowl. 4 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk to be precise. Then keep mixing your cream cheese by hand, and when you feel that it's softened enough, it's ready for the mixer. I used a regular stick mixer because I don't have the beautiful KitchenAid 300 watt artisan stand mixer. I'm not sponsored by KitchenAid. You can also keep mixing it by hand, but it's much easier using the mixer. Anyways, while mixing your cream cheese, add in around 190 grams of granulated white sugar. Mix it well and then start adding in your eggs with 1 egg yolk. One at a time, of course, until it's fully incorporated. Once you've done that, mix in 60 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 50 grams of creme fraiche or sour cream, 7 grams of vanilla extract or around same amount of vanilla sugar, 20 grams of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix until it's smooth like a baby's butt.
Life is smooth. It's on you if you want it to be smooth. Some people want to live life rough and crazy. Live smooth.
And we are ready to bake this jiggly cloud of goodness. First, get yourself some aluminium foil and cover your pan's bottom with a few layers until about halfway like so. Try not to leave any spots where water could come up to. Then pour in your beautiful cheesecake filling inside the pan. Shake it a tiny bit for it to fall into place. Now get your sheet pan and place the cheesecake in it. Then boil a bunch of water and cover the springform pan until about halfway. Now while the water is still hot, place the whole thing into a preheated 160 degrees Celsius oven for about 1.5 hours on the bottom rack of your oven until it's still a little bit jiggly and brown. As you can see, I placed it in the middle rack because I'm a totally. Also be very careful while moving the sheet pan. It's really unstable, just like me and my mental health. Now, once the cake is done, this is the important part. Open the oven door and let it cool in the oven for about 45 minutes. That way you don't get any cracks. Method, folks. It's all about the method. Great! After that, let the cake cool on a wire rack with tin foil removed until it's room temp. Then cover it with plastic wrap and set it in the fridge to cool overnight. The cake should be good for a week or a bit more. And now, your cake is done. Remove it from the fridge, open the springform pan, and slice this magnificent cake of cheese. I might or might have not already eaten 1/3 of the cake here, but that's irrelevant. Slice the cake and serve plain, or for best results, with a teaspoon of strawberry jam. Yum! Life could not be better. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I would really love if you could comment on the video what you liked or disliked about it. It would mean the world. Also, if you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please smash the like button and consider subscribing. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Peace!